guys, it's Aaron from Wild Signs. Wild Signs is a large format print and sign shop based out of West Michigan. All right, so we decided to do a YouTube series on tips, tricks, and tutorials for graphic design and sign file setup. So let's get right into this episode. This episode, we're going to talk about how to save a file for print out of Illustrator. It's kind of a part 2 for episode 1 because that was saving a file out of Photoshop. We're going to do Illustrator this time. We're going to open up this print resolution chart that we have available. There's a link below the video where you can download this chart and reference it. It's got helpful information on DPI for different signs, sizes, and also the information we're going to be talking about for file format and color mode. So, all right, so this is an 8.5 by 11. Say we want to save this to be printed. We're going to go up here and go to File, Export, Export As. Okay, you got the file name, where it's going to be saved at, and then down here you want to change the format to TIFF. TIFF is the best format to save a file at when you're going to print the sign. So we're going to go down here to Use Artboards. That's important to click that. If you do not click that, it's going to save all your artboards and anything that's off the artboards in one large file. We just want the 8.5 by 11, so we're going to click Use Artboards and click Export. Okay, you want the color mode to be set to CMYK. RGB is only used if the graphic will be used online. CMYK is what you want for printing, and we're going to keep the resolution at 300 because that's a good resolution for this size of a sign. Make sure that LZW compression is clicked. It drastically reduces the file size, but it does not affect the print quality. So it's definitely worth doing, and it'll save you space, hard drive space. Click OK. It's going to save the file. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing lots of videos on tips, tricks, and tutorials.